In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start selling on Amazon India. If you've ever thought about launching your own business on one of the largest e-commerce platforms, you're in the right place. We'll go through each step of the process so you'll be ready to set up your Amazon seller account with confidence. First, you'll need to create a seller account by registering on Amazon's seller portal. This is your first step into the world of online retailing with Amazon. To start, visit the Amazon seller website and click the Register Now button. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. It's important to choose a secure password to protect your account. Once you're in, Amazon will ask you to provide some essential business details. This typically involves sharing information such as your business name and the address associated with it. You'll also need to provide either your GST details or your PAN details if your category is GST exempt. Make sure all this information is accurate, as it's crucial for your future transactions and tax compliance. Next, you'll need an active bank account to receive your funds. There's a specific section where you'll enter your bank account details, such as the account number and IFSC code. This step ensures that you can smoothly receive payments from Amazon for your sales. Double-check these details for accuracy to avoid any hiccups in your payment processes. After filling in these details, you'll need to verify your account. Verification involves checking your email and phone number. You'll receive an email with a verification link. Click on it to confirm your email address. Similarly, check your phone for a verification code. Enter this code when prompted, and bingo, your contact details are verified. Moving forward, you'll be selecting a selling plan. Amazon offers different options depending on the number and type of products you plan to sell. If you're just starting or testing the waters, consider a basic plan. Once you have a better idea of your volume and profitability, you might choose to upgrade. Now, it's time to set up your store. This is where the fun begins. You'll be asked to provide store and product information. Think of it as setting up a virtual storefront. You should pay attention to detail here, like creating appealing product titles, clear descriptions, and high-quality images. An attractive storefront can make a big difference in catching a potential buyer's eye. Finally, you'll decide on your shipping options. You may choose to handle shipping yourself, or you could take advantage of Amazon's Fulfilled by Amazon service, which can help streamline logistics. Consider what works best for your business model and customer experience. There you have it, folks. With these steps, you're on your way to becoming a seller on Amazon India. Remember, each part of this process is crucial for building a strong foundation for your online business. Good luck and happy selling!